everybody, Anna Lou and I are here in South Bend, Washington with one of my great friends, Jason Nelson. And we're also joined, of course, by my daughter, Anna Lou, and Jason's son, Will. And Will, we're actually here today because you're gonna cook us a little something, right?
We're cooking some oysters. We're gonna put them on the grill, and then afterwards, we're gonna put all these toppings on them.
Today we're using homemade garlic butter, green onions, Parmesan cheese, bacon, and of course, oysters from South Bend.
Now, those of you that have watched the show know I'm not a huge seafood fan, but when it comes to coming to the oyster capital of the world, then, you know, when in Rome, you might as well go for it, right? All right, so we're gonna throw these on a 450 grill right now. Okay, shucking. Show me how a guy from South Bend shucks an oyster.
Now it was time for Anna Lou and Will to finish shucking the oysters so we can then add our delicious toppings before sending them back to the grill.
More bacon. More bacon. So you guys ready to try these?
Yeah.
All right, let's pick one up. Jay, get the big one.
I'm gonna go this mid-sized one. That's actually really good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. This is great. Thank you guys so much for having us down here and cooking us some oysters.
Yeah.
If you're looking for some of the best oysters in the state, you got to come to South Bend. And this is where you're going to find them. This is great, guys. Cheers.
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 You have another one.
To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.